Today I'm going to talk to you guys about the products that I tried and tested and loved in the month of April. Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm back with the third episode of the monthly favorite series. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about the products that I tried and tested and loved in the month of April. Before getting into the video, if you're liking this makeup look right here, I have uploaded a makeup tutorial of this look as well. So make sure to check it out. I'll leave it in the I button. Although I'm wearing it with a western top right now, but it's a traditional makeup look that I did. And also before getting into today's video, if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Shivani and I make beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more such videos. I'm sure you'll have a great time here. And that's it. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I have like a mix of makeup, skincare, hair care and like a random thing as well. So first I'm starting off with skincare, and for skincare I have tried two new face washes this month and both of them I absolutely loved. Because there are very less face washes that I don't like. I just don't like the face washes that leave my face super dry. But these two face washes are completely the opposite of that. So the first one is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Face Wash. It says it's a hydrating gel cleanser, gently cleanses and hydrates for plumpy skin, and this is an amazing face wash. This retails for rupees 315, but I got it at a discount for around like 250 or 260 rupees, and the tube is also very huge, so like it's a decent purchase. This face wash smells amazing. It's a gel based cleanser and it foams up on your skin. ये उन cleansers की तरह नहीं है जो जिनकी lather ही नहीं होती. So you can use this after makeup as well. It has hyaluronic acid, so if you're a dry skin type, then this is the perfect face wash for you. Next face wash that I have, it's from Dermaco. It's a creamy face cleanser for sensitive skin. I have used this completely. That's why इसकी cap भी अब गुम चुकी है. I just saved this tube for this video only. After that, I'm going to throw this away. So it's a very gentle face wash. Trust me, you cannot. I just said कि मैंने ये product खत्म कर दिया and इसमें से थोड़ा सा face wash अभी बाहर आ गया. I have to clean this up. I'll be right back. Thank God I have tissue paper right here. I am not picking up the tube again. So I was saying that it is a very gentle face wash. Again, it is meant for sensitive skin types, so all skin types can use this. But it is so gentle that this does not foam up at all. And if you're washing your face in the morning or throughout the day, if you have not applied makeup, then you can use this one. As post makeup, though, I don't think this would perform. And if you're into chemical exfoliation, like you use AHA, BHA peels, so then you're supposed to use mild face washes with that, and this is one of those that you can go for. These are two good options if you're looking for a new face wash. You can check these out. While we are talking about Dermaco, I have another product from them. I recently started using their 2% kojic acid face serum. This is what it looks like, and it has been like a week or so जब से मैंने use करना शुरू किया है, and a week is slightly less period of time to judge a face serum because face serum needs at least 2 weeks to 4 weeks. But ever since I started using this, like मुझे फर्स्ट फ्यू यूजेस के बाद से ही अपने फेस पे एक अलग सी ब्राइटनेस दिखने लगी जो मुझे पहले नहीं दिखती थी. एंड ज़्यादा कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने नहीं चेंज करे. आई एम गेसिंग इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सीरम ओनली. It is meant for dark spots and pigmentation, and it has niacinamide as well. Until now, I'm liking this product. For the full review, I'll talk about this product next month probably. I've just changed my sunscreen and my face serum, and the kind of difference that I'm seeing in my face, I think I should attribute it to the face serum. All the products from Dermaco are literally amazing. Dermaco has never disappointed me, and it's my safe skincare brand. You just have to pick the product according to your skin concern, and if you do that rightly, skincare would be like a very easy thing for you. I like this serum, and that's why I thought this is worth a mention in today's video. The next product that I have, I am so grateful that I found this product because I was literally hunting for a good sunscreen जो मेरे फेस को ऑयली ना बनाए, जो मेरे आईज में इरिटेशन ना दे, बट एट द सेम टाइम जो वाइट कास्ट ना दे, बट एट द सेम टाइम इट डज प्रोटेक्ट माई स्किन फ्रॉम द UVA UVB रेज एज वेल. एंड आई फाइनली फाउंड वन. अंटिल नाउ जो भी मैं सनस्क्रीन यूज़ कर रही थी, आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट देम एज वेल, बट सबसे ना मुझे लाइक इतनी अच्छी सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं होती थी. सनस्क्रीन का टेक्सचर थोड़ा मॉइस्चराइजर से अलग होता है, सो दे डिड यूज टू फील अ लिटिल बिट अनकम्फर्टेबल ऑन माई फेस. But I finally found a gem, and I am talking about the Aqualogica sunscreen. I forgot to mention when I was just stating that what I wanted in a sunscreen और मुझे मिल नहीं रहा था. कि वो थोड़ी बजट फ्रेंडली भी होनी चाहिए. आई न्यू दैट देयर एग्जिस्ट गुड सनस्क्रीन इन द मार्केट जो कि वैसे ही परफॉर्म करते जैसा मुझे चाहिए था, बट दे आर क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव एंड आई वांटेड अ बजट फ्रेंडली सनस्क्रीन टू फॉल अंडर दैट कैटेगरी एंड दिस वन डज. दिस रिटेल्स फॉर अराउंड 399 एंड ये मुझे 360 की मिली थी डिस्काउंट पे, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. एंड इट्स हाइड्रेटिंग प्लस नरिशिंग सनस्क्रीन. इसका टेक्सचर बिल्कुल मॉइस्चराइजर की तरह है, लोशन की तरह लिटरली, यानी बहुत लाइट वेट है. शो इट टू यू. आई एम नॉट वेस्टिंग अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. इसका टेक्सचर बिल्कुल मॉइस्चराइजर की तरह है एंड इट्स सो लाइट वेट. ये बहुत जल्दी स्किन में अब्जॉर्ब भी हो जाती है. इसका फेस पे लिटरली कोई वाइट कास्ट भी नहीं आता एंड इट इज़ अ ड्यूई सनस्क्रीन. इट कीप्स माई फेस हाइड्रेटेड ऑल थ्रू द डे. इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी पड़ रही है इस बार की इतने ज़्यादा स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स भी लेयर नहीं करे जाते. मैं लिटरली कभी कभी मॉइस्चराइजर भी स्किप करके ये वाली सनस्क्रीन लगा लेती हूँ. इट हैज़ द जॉब ऑफ बोथ मॉइस्चराइजर एंड सनस्क्रीन, सो दैट इज़ व्हाई आई लव दिस प्रोडक्ट. एंड इफ यू आर इन सर्च ऑफ अ गुड सनस्क्रीन दैट फॉल्स अंडर अ बजट and does the job, look no further. Aqualogica is the one for you. Okay, so the next product that I have is the hair mask. It's the Himalaya Protein Hair Cream for extra nourishment. This is what it looks like. I've never used external hair mask. इससे पहले तक मैं हमेशा hair mask के लिए घर पे ही चीज़ें मिक्स कर करके लगा लेती थी. स्किन केयर में मैं पहले बहुत ज़्यादा DIYs करती थी, बट नाउ आई डोंट बिलीव इन स्किन केयर DIYs एनी मोर. आई बिलीव कि आई शुड यूज द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आर फॉर्मुलेटेड फॉर अ स्किन टू अब्जॉर्ब. द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आर अवेलेबल इन योर किचन, दे आर गुड फॉर योर स्किन, बट एक्चुअली वो स्किन के लिए अब्जॉर्ब करना काफ़ी मुश्किल होता है. तो जितना हमें लगता है कि वो इफेक्ट करते हैं वो उतना नहीं कर पाते जितना एक प्रॉपर डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट फॉर्मुलेटेड प्रोडक्ट करता है. एंड आई थिंक मैं टॉपिक से डाइवर्ट हो गई. आई वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट हेयर केयर. फेस में आई हैव गिवन अप ऑन लाइक DIYs, बट फॉर माई हेयर केयर आई हैव नॉट. हेयर केयर मैंने अपने बाल इतने लंबे लिटरली DIYs से ही करे हैं. आई यूज टू जस्ट टेक सम एलोवेरा जेल एंड मिक्स सर्टेन टाइप्स ऑफ ऑयल्स, और sometimes I used to apply rice water, sometimes I used to apply onion water, sometimes I used to apply curd mixed with egg and like besan and all. पता नहीं, मैंने बहुत कुछ लगाया बालों पे अपने, बट वो भी मैंने एक पॉइंट पे आके वो सब छोड़ दिया था एंड मैं सिर्फ एक ही हेयर मास्क पर स्टिक करती थी बिकॉज दैट इज़ लाइक वेरी hassle free and that does not smell bad as well. And that used to be aloe vera mixed with some hair oils जो भी मेरे हाथ में आ जाए, that's it. But I wanted to try an external hair mask as well, but for some reason I don't know why hair masks are like kind of very expensive. But this hair mask I saw it in some reels. मतलब मैंने इसको like trend होते हुए देखा market में and I thought that I should also try my hands on this one because it retails just for ₹77 and I thought कि why not give it a try. My hair is long enough but they are like super dry and I think that my hair needs protein, and this is a protein hair cream only. It has chickpea and amla, it says. I have used this 2 to 3 times until now and this does make a difference. बहुत vast difference अब तक नहीं आया. Obviously any skin care hair care product needs time, but I do feel that my hair has become softer and more manageable as compared to like what they used to be before. And I do use heat on my hair as well, so to kind of cover the damage as well, I need to apply like good stuff on my hair to keep it healthy. This is one of those products that have made space in my hair care vanity, you can say. So this is an important part of my hair care routine now. I think you should also try this because it literally won't burn a hole in your pocket. It's just for ₹70 or 80 and there's no harm in trying out a good product for your hair. So that was it. Okay, next I have 2 makeup products with me. Now I am always in search of a good liquid lipstick. अगर मुझसे कोई भी लिपस्टिक के लिए रिकमेंडेशन मांगता है मैं सिर्फ 2 सजेस्ट करती हूँ, either the Lakme Forever Matte or the Maybelline Sensational Matte. I guess that was the name, yeah. Because liquid lipsticks are my go-to and जो भी products मैं recommend करती हूँ मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो under 500 हो, वो budget friendly ही हो. So I have other options as well, but 500 के अंडर मुझे सिर्फ वही 2 पसंद थी. But now I found another one. I was in search of such a lipstick in so long and finally Faces Canada launched a new liquid lipstick range and it is their Comfy Matte range and it retails just for ₹399. Again mostly Nykaa पे ये 25% off पे ही होती है and this is what this looks like. इसमें shade range काफ़ी अच्छी है and it says Comfy Matte and it is actually super comfortable on your lips. Just one swatch and it covers your entire lip and literally ये बहुत बिल्कुल heavy भी feel नहीं होती and ये बहुत long lasting भी है. So I absolutely love this lipstick. Like everything I want from a liquid lipstick this is it. I'll just show you the swatch as well. Just look at this. See, it's super pigmented. This is just one swatch. It's so pigmented and I just love this. So the next product that I have is a setting spray by NYX. Now this is the NYX Professional Makeup Radiant Finish. I got it from Nykaa. It retails for $875 but I got it at 50% off. I got it for 400 something.
75 का हाफ क्या होता है? 75 35 430
I got it for around 450 rupees approximately. I got it at 50% off. Now this setting spray is amazing, but this is not for an everyday kind of use because it's a radiant setting spray. It literally has shimmer particles in it. Most people do not like this product because it has shimmer particles, but I don't want to bash this product out because अगर मुझे like किसी function के लिए तैयार होना है तो I do want that shine on my face जो इससे आती है. Right now I've applied it and trust me, the glow that it gives is amazing. But at the same time that glow is only for wedding functions. मैं parties का भी नहीं बोलूँगी because again parties में इतनी lighting वगैरह नहीं होती, so that shimmer can like be a turn off. But in functions it would look amazing. If someone who has a makeup collection, then you can like add this for wedding functions as well. But this is not a regular setting spray, so if you're someone जो इतना ज़्यादा makeup use नहीं करते, बस थोड़ा बहुत ही है, you should not go for this one because ये आपको ज़्यादा काम ही नहीं आएगा. That's it. That was my review about this one. I think I said that I had 2 makeup products, but I was wrong. I have another makeup product, and the next product that I have is a mascara from Nykaa. The Nykaa Curl Power Waterproof Curling Mascara. I specifically went for this variant because I don't need volume in my lashes. They're voluminous enough. I don't need length in my lashes. My lashes are super long, but अगर normal लोगों की lashes ऐसी होती है तो मेरी lashes ऐसी है. Literally they are ziddi straight. I am not the perfect person to judge mascaras because मेरी lashes साथ ही नहीं देती है इतना. So that is why I ordered a curling mascara. I tried it without a curler, and without a curler it did not do much, but I would not blame the mascara for that. I would blame my lashes. And with the curler it performed very well and it did curl my lashes, and at the same time removing this is not a hassle. ये बहुत ना अच्छे से remove होता है. जैसे मस्कारा अगर आप normally remove करते हो तो आप पूरे पांडा बन जाते हो. If you are an emotional person like me and you start crying every now and then आपके आंसुओं के साथ आपका मस्कारा भी टप 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 करके बह जाता है. But it won't happen with this one. Being waterproof is not a special trait. Of course there are other waterproof mascaras as well, but what makes this one special is because it is not very expensive and it is waterproof. So yeah. And waterproof mascaras again, अगर वो waterproof होते तो वो निकलते नहीं है, but ये निकलता भी अच्छे से है. ज़्यादा hassle नहीं होता इसको remove करने के लिए. So if you're looking for a new mascara, you can check this range out. It's the next thing that I have. It's not makeup, skincare or hair care. Body care कह सकते हैं इसको. I don't know. It is a very random thing. Now ever since I've got these extensions on, my main concern was कि मैं lenses कैसे remove करूँगी, क्योंकि अगर मेरे thumb का nail like इतना भी हो जाता था तो मुझे lenses remove करने में मुश्किल होती थी. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं remove नहीं कर पाती थी, but वो बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो जाता था remove करना. एक इस side का तो हो जाता था, but इस side like literally वो nail आगे आ जाता था तो lens दिखता ही नहीं था. So वो थोड़ा risky game हो जाता था, but I used to manage it. बट एक्सटेंशंस के साथ तो इतने लंबे नेल्स के साथ तो इट्स लिटरली इम्पॉसिबल, क्योंकि ऐसे हाथ ही नहीं जाता. सो इफ़ यू स्ट्रगलिंग विद दैट, डोंट वरी. आई वाज स्ट्रगलिंग टू एंड आई गॉट अ सोल्यूशन. अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन एक्चुअली डज दिस एंड व्हेन शी टोल्ड मी अबाउट दिस आई वाज लाइक, मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि ऐसा कुछ एग्जिस्ट भी करता है. इफ़ यू आर समवन हु हैज़ एक्सटेंशंस मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम एंड यूजेस लेंसेज, all you have to do is get yourself a lens travel kit. Now this has 3 to 4 things in it, but the main thing that you need is this tweezer kind of thing. Now don't get scared. This tweezer has a silicone edge at the top, so this won't hurt your eyes. You just have to control the pressure. You just have to like remove your lenses ऐसे करके. Honestly it looks very intimidating and first time तो मुझे भी थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम हुई थी रिमूव करने में. इससे भी एक्सटेंशन के साथ तो इट्स इम्पॉसिबल. तो इससे like 1-2 अटेम्प्ट्स में I was able to manage removing my lenses. This is what this kit looks like. Now I can't like literally name it because एक ऑप्टिकल्स की शॉप पे लेने गई थी और उनके पास ये लास्ट बॉक्स पड़ा था इसका, and it's a Chinese thing that I've got, but you can easily find it on Amazon. आपको 200-250 के अराउंड मिल जाएगा. You just have to like search for a lens travel kit, and इसमें 2-3 चीज़ें और भी आती है which I'll tell you. Firstly, it comes in a box with a mirror. It's a travel kit, of course. It will have a mirror, and it has this small tiny bottle to carry a solution, although itne se solution se kuch hota nahi hai, but still. And it has this, if you do not want to like dig in your nails and use your nails to pick up the lenses, you have this tool. And this I explained, this is for removing. And this had a lens case as well, जो मेरा like washroom में पड़ा हुआ है, so I can't show you that. And that's it. So it's a very convenient thing. If you're struggling with lenses, this is very helpful. Okay, so that was it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys like these recommendations, and I hope you guys pick something out of this. If you go ahead and purchase any of these, make sure to check out the link in the description box below. I'll leave everything down there. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram as well. It would mean a lot to me. And leave a comment, share this video, and that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.